Hello guys, it's your boy Pravin here. So we're going to play Oni Nightmares with Kyrie
Oh my god.
and Randolph.
Soul.
Say hi Randolph and Kyrie. Say hi Rizel.
That's mine.
So let's get started. Let's get started, Kyrie. Let's go. Kyrie here.
Sige, tara na!
Alright, let's go.
Saan na kaya? Saan na kaya? Meron ba kaya?
Alright, let's go.
Dito aircon, Joy.
Hindi. Pagkakuan ko eh.
Patulungin kasi kayo.
Ikaw, Sigreta. Ikaw, kamutoyo. Kapag na ako. Okay na ba? Diba? Kapag yung umaya, ay joke lang.
By the way, the title is gonna be called Three Dumbbells Play Oni Nightmares. Three dumbbells. Three dumbbells. Three dumbbells watch to play Oni Nightmares.
Does it really matter how much? Randolph, I'm better than your avatar.
What the?
Bye bye.
What the heck?
Bakit watermelon?
Kyrie, let's go.
Why is watermelon?
Wait. Wait.
I'm
We're
right here.
recording, alright? We're recording, alright?
I'm hiding.
We're recording.
I'm hiding.
Say hi. Please say hello because we're making the video perfect for everyone.
Are you playing on PC?
Wait, say hi.
Hello mga pangit.
Let me check my. Let's play. Let's say hi.
No bro, no, I'm hiding here.
Alright.
So only don't get me because he's staring at my soul.
This guy is so sus. This is so. He arte naman. You're just scared of horror games.
What's this?
Oh
Hala,
my god. What is that? What is that?
ano ba?
Is that Oni?
Ano sa lamin ko?
Oni, bruh. It's Oni. Oh my god, that's Oni. Oni.
Run!
Oh no. Oh my god, run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run away.
Find you!
Run away. Please, I'm gonna run away.
Ay! The other closet!
Oh my god! Oni is chasing me. Oh my god!
Goes to the door.
OMG.
Oh my god.
I'm distracting
Get
Awani.
you!
I'm distracting Awani.
Oh.
I'm distracting the blue demon.
Aoni is here!
Wait, where is he? I found him. Get the doll.
Aoni is there!
I got the doll. I got the doll.
Oh! Hide in the closet!
Stop. Please. Oh my god.
Aoni is there! You got
Alright.
the door? But that isn't the right class.
Wait, I got
Follow
this.
the arrow!
Here, I got it. Alright, got. Why?
Food!
Two more dolls. Where's the other dolls? OMG.
Many dolls is
Oh my god!
Aon is there?
Yes! He's there!
He's gonna eat you.
Oh my god.
I found Aoni.
Oh no. Oh my god! Run away! Run away! Run away!
Jesus,
I have no stamina! I have no stamina! Help me! Help me! No! Oh no.
Oh, he's...
R.I.P. Jonica. Oh.
Oy, Kas! Umalis ka. Where's Aoni?
OMG!
People.
Oh no.
Who eat people?
Or I
Me, no.
Johnny.
Found some more
Jonica.
dolls. Rip
Oh my
Jonica.
god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Distracting Awani.
R.I.P. Jonica daw. Ay, Fiora, boy! Fiora B.
Please,
The Blue Demon.
please get to those. I swear to God.
The Blue Demon is behind your back.
Yes, I know. I'm distracting him. Alright, he's there. He's gone. What should we do? We need to find the 2 more dolls.
Oh, okay. Find it, and I will close this door.
Wait, you close the door. I'm hiding here. I'm hiding here. Too scary.
I didn't see it.
Please. Please.
Find the dolls, you are brave. Please. Don't die, dumb bulls.
Oh my god. That's why it's the title called Dumbos Play Audi Nightmares.
Cast sent you a friend request.
Oh, alright.
Hello, saan na yung mga ibang classmates natin? Late na siya? Si Aoni, late na ba siya?
Let's go. Alright, I'm friends.
Eyo. The Blue Monster! Di ko yung sinulat. Birch. Birch daw.
Find the dolly Dumbo.
Yes. The... The Blue Monster is in your back.
I know.
Oy, Radolf.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. I'm cooked. Hide. 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 Please. Please survive. Please. Please. Oh my god. Oh my god! I give up. The doll is not found. Please, please. No, 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 no! Ah! Bleh. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching. Dumbos, please like and subscribe so we enjoyed the video.